Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Chrome Split View. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to use the what we call the Split View here in Google Chrome, which is quite new, well, this one is quite easy. So let's just say that you want to split or you want to have a split view on your YouTube tab here. So by the way, before doing so, you just need to make sure that you are running the latest version of the Google Chrome app. So typically you just need to go to your top right here, go and click on the three dot option here and go to your settings and go into the about section. Just you should see an update button and it will process everything for you. But I'm assuming you already updated this your Google Chrome here. How do you do it? So in your tabs here at the very top, you want to go and right click on that tab and you want to go ahead and basically choose the option here that says add tab to new split view. Now in here, if you do choose that one, you now have two views. So you have an option for, let's just say, YouTube, and also a tab to add a split view. So let's go and just choose like google.com in here, like a tab that you want to use. Let's go and choose this one, which is the tab that we have previously opened. Now, how do you manage them? Well, typically, if you click on one of the websites here, like as you can see, currently, if I click on the YouTube side, it's going to give me the link for YouTube. But if you click on the right side here, it should give you the link for google.com. Now, the great thing about this one, you could also change how big one website is going to be. So you can work on two websites at the same time with just one tab here, which is a really cool thing. Now, at the bottom right of each tab, you should also have the option that says separate views, which basically separates these two websites into two tabs. And if you want to reverse them, you can go and click on reverse views here, as you can see right now. Now, if you also want to close this view, you can go and click on close this view. But let's go and click on separate views, and it's now going to be separated again. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.